How to add and specify the deadline date. In the Google Sheets from the deployed form, I will use the existing form that I have created in the previous videos. Scroll down Action Types and click at Deadline Date. In the Action property, select Enable and specify the date that you want to appear in the Google Sheets. Next, click the Save button and refresh the page. Go to Generated Code tab and copy the script. Paste in App Script and deploy the form. Make sure to view also the previous videos. In the Google Sheets, you will see the last column, which will give the days specified in the Action properties.